Hey Jamila, I just wanted to show you some things about your Seesaw account. So I know that you and your mom logged in and you guys, and your mom particularly, saw this 377, and I know that that's super overwhelming. So your mom is right. You need to get better about doing your Seesaw, okay? So your mom has said that you watch videos and do other things when you're supposed to be doing Seesaw. You've been doing a great job coming to class and doing Imagine Learning. So now we're going to work on getting you better about Seesaw, okay? So let's take a look here. This inbox thing, you just press that. So the inbox, you've got some messages, and those are school announcements. And so right now, it's just an announcement that Mr. Cruz made, and that was before winter break. So you don't even have to worry about that. Then if you go to your notifications, it tells you if I send something back to you or if I comment on something, it tells you that. So now these are the activities that you have not done. And so what I want you to do is not try to finish all of those activities. That's so many, that would be really hard to do. What I want you to do is each day you come to Seesaw, you go to your daily schedule. So this is the schedule for Thursday. Then it has the links for your activities. So you had 2 activities to do on Thursday. So you were supposed to read this book to me, and you were supposed to read that poem. You're a really good reader, so you could do those 2 things easy peasy lemon squeezy, right, honey? So you do those things, and then those are just the 2 activities in the morning that you're supposed to complete. Imagine Learning, you're already doing that. Then if you come to math class, we usually do most of the worksheet together. Then all you have to do is take a picture of the worksheet that you did with me and put it in Seesaw to show me your work. So what I want you to do is I don't want you to try to finish all of these. I want you to start on Monday. I want you to start going into your schedule and completing your activities. If you start doing that, you're going to get some prizes from Mrs. Trailer. Okay? Your mom is right. Your mom is a great mom and she knows what's best for you. Okay? And as your teacher, I'm telling you, you have to do your Seesaw. You can do it. I know you can. All right, I hope this video helped. Lots of love to you.